go, let's go. Tignan, may kalaban pa.
I'm coming for you!
Ay.
Dito na yata tayo. Sa baba. Underground. Dito yata tayo.
I need to find out what happened to the team that went to try to repair the main shade node. The federal shelter should be beneath your current position. Find a way down there, but proceed with caution. Your current position. Find a
May
way
kita
down
ka kung
there.
saan ka nagtatago. Clear, clear. Ay, kalaban natin lang. May nakatago ah. Nice.
Ay, gagong bakit.
Box. Ready mo yung shotgun mo. Parang Resident Evil lang yan, babarilin na ata ito.
Kala ko mas lalong bumilis eh.
Ayun, tara. Dito tayo. Ba to? Elevator ba to?
Eh, dito tayo, dito.
Ano ba to? Wala,
Ako yun dito.
sarado yan eh. Ito nga. Ito, ano ba to?
Ba't may nagka-counting? Ayun pala. Kami, papasok din pala ako.
May sensor pala eh.
Stop.
Ito, may box dito. Sige, tayo kita.
Had a deal to get an evac and fucked over Emily.
Pwesto ka na.
Okay.
Move up on that.
Wanag.
Wala lumapit sa lahat.
Shit. Tayo, sunog sila.
Ano pinapulot nun?
May siniset up na ano? May siniset up na machine gun yung isa.
Clear. Oh, meron ulit. Taas. Sunog.
Dalawa sunog.
Hindi, nabuutan.
Nice. Yan ang mali mo. Akala niya isa lang yung kalaban. Ito, bahala oh. Firing ano. Dragon's Breath ata ito. Tingnan muna natin baka may gamit. Buksan ko na to ah.
Sige, sige.
Human remains detected. Identified as Division agents.
There's no way the outcast could have taken out an entire squad in a fair fight. It's not possible.
Ano ba din yung puta?
Electronic device detected.
Portable device.
Ito, may kalaban na rito.
Justice.
Ilan to? Dalawa? Dapat. Sige.
Gulat pa siya eh.
Who was that?
Putang ina na yun.
Matalikod, bobo.
Here! Buddy!
Sakto naman yun. Gago. Shotgun ka sa mukha.
Stop you here!
Taas, taas.
Today!
Online computer detected.
Great. You can use the computer to sync Isaac with their comm system. Hopefully we can get a 20 on our team. If they're in any shape to answer.
Level 40 na naman.
May dumikit yung drone ko, di ko makuha.
Connection established.
Hello? Can you hear me? This is Manny Ortega with the Division.
Manny, thank God. It's Maya. I'm all that's left on our team. We couldn't get the node back online. I salvaged some equipment that will get the White House node connected to the national network, but before I could get back, those crazy fucks showed up. You gotta get me out of here.
Let's go, let's go. Ba't may nakapatay dyan?
Oops. Ano, ganda sana ng lugar nila oh. Piano ata.
Ha?
Pwede yata i-play yung ano, sounds. Ito.
Have you read this?
What is it?
A report on JTF's investigation of how Ridgeway was handling the quarantine. This is what sent him to jail.
So? What's your point?
You've been painting JTF as the devil. Well, one of many devils. How do you think people would react if they saw this?
Burn it.
What?
Burn it. Burn every copy you find.
Leave it to me.
Oop. Boss. Boss ba yan?
Hindi, sunog lang yun.
Hindi, may nagbubuga eh.
Papalaban tayo dito. Gee.
Ano lang yun? Ay.
I'm gonna blow you to...
Yan. Wow.
Ay, gago.
Ay, gago.
Pwede pa dumaan dyan? Ba't tumakapoy?
May tinamaan tangke yan. Basta mababa yata tayo dito. Go. Taas, taas. Na bumaba.
Yan, tatalo.
Sino mali mo?
Satisfying is... Satisfying.
Ano yan? Makuunat pa siya eh. Kunin ko lang yung drone ko.
Electronic device detected.
Ay gago. Ay putik ka. Napindot. Wala na, naipit na.
Ito may gamit sa taas oh. Holster yung pili ko. Kita kita dito.
Holster sa akin din. Tara. Radyo.
Where does it end?
Where does what end? It doesn't. It won't.
That bitch can't hide forever.
Laban.
Nasa kulog. Kwarto. Pwesto ka na.
Okay.
Boss.
Oh, may dumadating pa.
May nakatago.
Yan na, may ano na. Kulay dilaw.
Matago po. Tumbling pa eh. Patay siya, nakadapa eh.
I think I'm safe for now, but please hurry.
Help is on the way, Maya. Sit tight and just try to stay calm.
Walang gamit.
Tinitingnan ko eh.
Kunin ko lang yung drone ko, sayang na naman.
Wala, walang gamit. Parang may bumubuga ng apoy.
Malamang boss yan. Gago, baka dragon yan.
Yun oh. Sunog dun oh.
Ito, dito. Dito siya nang pumunta eh oh. Dito banda. Wala na, sarado to. Push.
Ano eh, tanong.
Ano sarado?
Dead end na yan.
Baka babarilin to. Dito. Pinaril ko yung tubo ito.
Okay.
Shit, ayun na sila.
You
Check
gotta
on
put
naman.
out the flames. I don't know if Maya has any fireproof gear.
Pamarilin yung mga tubo.
Panginang pa po yan para ang lagkit ang puto.
Ito may kalaban.
Oh shit.
Kulay dilaw yan, kulay dilaw.
Oh shit! Sunog ako.
Pumunta pa sa akin, kala ko sa sabog.
Nasa likod pala yung mga tubo. Dito na yata tayo.
Kaninong ano to? Sinusundan pala ako ng drone ko ba yan?
Oo, drone mo yan. Ano, buksan ko na.
Bata. Sige.
Dito na yata siya sa loob eh.
Electronic device detected.
Wala, wala. Bababa tayo.
Take the knife.
I don't know if I can do this.
Yes. You can. Take it. Good.
Ito, restock.
Very good. Don't be afraid.
I am afraid.
I know you are. I understand. You look at this wretched thing, and you see a human being. And how could you hurt a human being? Do you know this man?
No.
Tell him what you did.
Batang kalaban dito.
Tell him.
I killed a woman.
Why did you kill her?
I told her to get back. She wouldn't listen.
So what did you do?
Hit her with my rifle butt. She screamed at me, spat blood at me, so I hit her again till she stopped screaming.
Because she didn't listen to you.
Goddamn right. That's goddamn right.
Her name was Vivian Harper.
No. Murderer!
Lalim naman dito.
I have to move. Someone's trying to break in.
Chill. Gamit.
Ang ganda ng mga ano. Ito. Kadami naman pinto niya. Ayun na siya.
Restock, restock. Papalaban tayo ngayon dyan.
I'm safe for now, but I don't think they're gonna stop coming after me. I don't know what I did to make them so mad. You have to stop them. They're coming! It's not safe!
Saan na punta yung gago na? Lagyan ko ng ano dito, cover. Oh shit! Sa kanan.
Buti na lang, nakaano ko. Kaliwa, kaliwa. Tumatakbo.
Ang ina mo ah. Ayan, ayan, ayan.
Yun na, yun na. Yun na yung malaki.
Sige, may drone naman tayo dyan eh. Lagag. Ay, ano? Naka-axe. Kalaban, kalaban. Gusto ko sa tumatakbo ah.
Tang ina. Pagtago.
Loko.
Headshot.
Pulsang nguso ang puto. Ayan na naman.
Ayan naman. Pala mo mabasag niyan. Boom.
Tulungan na kaya natin.
Ayun na, wasag na.
You'll pay for what you did.
Oh, may tumatakbo ah. Oh shit! Hindi ka rito, sa lata.
Kaya ako muna sa mga maliliit na kalaban.
Oh shit!
Pas!
Is that it? Wala lang gamit, no?
Wala na.
Stop, stop.
If you hadn't have shown up when you did, I'll head back as soon as the escort team arrives.
Oh, tara.
On in.
Okay na.
Wala na tayong gamit eh.
With the equipment Maya recovered,
Nice.
we can restore the Shade network across the entire country. And I'll send a team to assist Maya and retrieve the fallen for a proper burial.
So, who did you piss off to end up on guard duty?
Tara. Haba pala ng lalakari.
No detected.
Echo. Oh shit, meron pa palang echo.
Daddy, why are we going to that big house?
I guess I just want to say thank you to the man who lives in that big house.
Why?
He helped change the laws in this country, so I could be here
Si
today.
Abraham Lincoln na yun
Your
dyan.
sweet little face.
Okay, can I say thank you to the man too, Daddy?
Sure, baby. I think you'd like that.
We should get going. We don't want to keep him waiting.
Is Mommy going to say thank you to the man?
That's up to mommy.
Mommy?
Sure. Although he really did a lot more for your dad than he did for me.
Okay, let's go see the man.
Si Abraham Lincoln.
Oh, tara. May kakampi tayo. Ano meron dito? Puta, may mga kalaban na dito. Tara.
We need you to secure the memorial and remove the True Sons forces.
Kaliwa ko meron.
If they maintain this outpost, the True Sons will be a direct threat to the campus.
Dami, 43. Layo.
Ngayon na, malapit eh. Guys,
Sa kanan meron din ah.
nasa labas yan eh, sa kanan.
Ba't nalaban na ata nila yun?
Dalawang grupo ata eh. Kaliwa taas, ayun oh. Ano ka nang bumaba?
Kaso nakuha kong honey badger ang puta.
Baso ka, baso ka.
You're dead meat. Who's
Ano daw?
Answer me!
You're dead meat.
Sa likod din, ayun na naman.
Nasa labas yan eh.
Lumawa kasi yung ano ko eh.
Got a visual on additional hostiles in the memorial compound. They're moving
Lumawak
south.
yung radius
There's
ng
a
ano ko
gate
eh.
between you. It
Ah,
looks
kaya pala
closed
eh.
from here.
Agent, you'll need to find a way to open that gate.
Dito ata pwede patayin to mga to eh. Kaya na nga natin to mga to.
Electronic device detected.
Lumapit ba?
Ito lang sila oh, sa likod.
Ito, may jagger na tata eh. Ayun na, patay na.
Tumakbo yung isang puta.
Tara, tara.
Sige,
Re-rest.
tingnan ko lang. Puta, nakatakas pa sa drone yun. Swerte ang putik. Ang gago ka.
Binuksan ko na yung gate. Saan yun? Ah, dito. Uy, ba't parang dumidilim?
Dapat to ano eh. Nasaludo ka dito.
Mamaya,
Saan ba tayo?
Selfie tayo dyan, dito. Sinakop nila yung ano. Eh, nandito na, nandito na.
Tama to.
Headshot.
Isa pa, isa pa. Sarap gamitin ng honey badger.
Remember what they did to us last week?
Dami. Dito ako sa kaliwa. Press.
Isa pang violet ah.
John Wick. Restock, restock.
Portable device detected.
Kita mo?
Ayun. Lapit ako konti. Puta, di pa na headshot eh.
Ano, may ano. Machine gun.
Di mo pwede ikutan niya.
Sniper yun, patay na. Ayan, may bago. Juggernaut. Oh shit. Ah!
Aray! Mawawala kasi ako sa cover ang putik.
One more shot, nice dead.
Atras. Wala na armor yan.
All clear. I repeat, the compound is all clear.
No, that can't be all of them. Check the interior while I get Henry's people to maintain the perimeter.
Ay, kunin ko lang yung drone ko. Ay, gago. Hulog. Dami nun ah. Ito, sa baba. Ano meron dyan?
Tinitingnan ko nga eh, baka may gamit eh. Wala.
Wala. Dito tayo. Sa baba.
May echo ah. Echo. Ano? Baba pa.
Baba. Ito, box.
You should be approaching a small museum. Need you to make sure it's clear.
Kalaban. Ano ba yan, drone yan? Yung pan-detect mo?
Hindi, ano. Yung nakalagay sa bag.
Darating pa yan.
Ayun o. Parating na. Galing. Wala ng kalaban doon.
Ayun o.
Boom!
Dulo.
Shotgun ko yan.
Okay, isa na lang ata yan.
Pero paparating. Sa kabila ako lang.
Active terminal detected.
Perfect. Sync their system with Isaac, and hopefully we can get a better idea of what they've been planning.
Nagsiksikan sila rito, ang puta. Wala nang gamit?
Wala na eh.
Wala, bahala lang. Laptop.
Damn it. The True Sons have turned the memorial into a base. There's an area beneath you with increased security. Isaac can't access data on this location. Stay alert. I don't know what you're walking into.
Alpha, Charlie, kill those fuckers! Bravo, get the rest of those mortar rounds into the tunnels!
Galing naman, alam na. Nanood.
Paano pumunta dito? Bilak pa to?
Alin? Ito oh. Ito na, bumukas na.
Yung mga gamit.
Kulay blue pero malakas. Dito na tayo dyan. Move it, man.
Binigyan ako ng double barrel na puti 50.
You wanna kill everybody in here?
You hear that?
DC-62 detected.
Heads up. Isaac just ID'd those shells as chemical weapons. We can't afford to let the True Sons escape with those. You gotta find a way to close up that tunnel.
get.
locked down. Keep the shells moving and hold the line.
You keeping up with the news, Antoine?
Yeah, can't stomach it.
My daddy was at Saigon in 75. He talked about this kind of thing. Beginning of the end. But nobody's ready to admit it.
Because they aren't ready to survive it.
That's what they got us for.
Anybody believe that's in for a nasty surprise?
You ain't sticking around?
Oh, I'm sticking around. I got my men to look after.
Di ba yan?
Everybody else, though,
Ito.
they can fend for themselves.
Naubos na.
Tara, dyan na tayo. Opya. Dito na kalaban. Diyan, meron dyan.
Oo.
I need to watch that turret.
Meron pa. Ayun na.
Eh, may mga parating oh. Wala akong tira dito.
Left side. Hindi niya alam, nasa kaliwa ako. Oh shit!
You wanna get personal?
Putang ina, naka-armor set. Ay, butas! Wala akong ilan. Ang ina, naisana ko nun ah.
Naiipit siya dun oh.
Naipit din ako kanina. Ang galing yun.
Dito ako sa pintuan.
Ah, clear.
Naiipit ang putik, di siya makagalaw kulit eh.
Walang gamit na.
Wala.
Ito, parang sa bodycam yung stage na to ah. Nakala? Ay. Akit yata.
Wala naman oh.
Hanapin mo yung ano nyan. Ayun. Parang mga bago style nila to eh. Parang wala to dati, no?
Oo.
Akit tayo.
Ano ba yun, Rain? Nandito ka na naman. Nangungulit ka na naman dito ka.
Echo.
Were you able to recover the Master Sergeant's body? Most of it. By the time we got to him, they'd cut his head off. As a trophy? Hell if I know. I assumed it was psychological warfare.
Huh. Was it at this time that you called in the fire mission on the village?
It was?
Because you were taking fire?
Sure, that's what I reported.
You lied?
I said what was necessary. We had to bring the hammer down fast.
Weren't you concerned about collateral damage?
I was hoping for it.
Okay na.
According to the schematics Isaac pulled upstairs, we can lock that tunnel door from their control center. That should keep them from being able to transport those mortars loaded with DC-62.
Pero dikit-dikit sila oh.
May na-ambush, no?
May parating pa.
Makyat. Meron dyan, kanan mo. Taas.
Saan na?
Kaliwa mo. Clear. Pindutin ko na to ah.
That should keep them from getting more of those mortars.
Ito, nasa video sila oh.
The tunnel was smart? Fuck you! You locked yourself in with them. I'll make sure you rot down here.
Scanning map data.
There's a whole network of tunnels. Let me patch Kelso in. Have you seen this?
No, I haven't. But it explains how they've been moving DC-62 around the city.
Clear. Dito na yata tayo. No respawn. Mukhang may boss dito ah. Ayan na.
Kailangan na gamitan ng double barrel yan. Patarin muna natin, sayang skill eh.
Oh, bus mo na eh.
Saan?
Ayan na.
Ayun. Boss nga.
Ingat ka dyan, baka biglang may dumating pa dyan. Ayan na, dyan na.
Wasak yung armor nyo.
Maray. Kala mo ah. Meron pa. Ayan na, parating.
Ito dito mahaba.
Solve yung isa. Gago, 1-on-1 kayo dyan ah. Puta, ang daming armor niyan ah.
Takinan to, puto tumatakbo eh.
Bating yan.
Okay, takbo ka pa.
Tangin na, patay. Meron pa. Ito na, dito na sa akin.
Daming boss ah.
Puta, na corner pala ako dito.
Immune sa ano?
Oh shit, granada.
Ba't immune?
Boom.
Kaya yung armor. Nakata mo na yan.
Good work. Go on and head back up. The team from the campus has taken position inside the memorial.
Double barrel lang yung katapat niyan. Sana.
Wala na, clear na. Ito pala, may mga ano, restock sa kabal. Dragon Breath. Hindi natin nakuha ito.
Lakas 50k yung damage na itong double barrel na to eh.
Basta yata malapitan, malaki sa yata yan. Clear. Ay, may violet pa pala dito.
Ano ba yung fall? Automatic ba to?
Ano? Pak. Pak yan. Iba rin yung tararat. Tayo na may magagawa ka na sariling pangalan ng baril ng phone. Yung M16, tararat.
Hindi, pero yung assault rifle siya eh, fall.
Buka mo. Tara.
Ba't automatic dito?
Ah, baka iba yan, tara.
Pero mababa yung ano niya. Mamaya ako na gamitin. Nag-i-enjoy pa ako dito sa Honey Badger.
If you hadn't stopped them, I know they would have used those weapons on us, and we would have ended up like Castle. I can't tell you how relieved I am to have you on our side. Thank you.
Thank you na to, tapos na.
The Capitol building is our final
specializations
target.
available.
It's right
if
for
you
the
wanna check
picking.
them out.
Let's do this.
Discover a new way to play.
You should be proud. Saved a lot of lives today.
Level 27 na ako.
Yeah, boy. Ano to? Mobile tinkering station. Okay. Stage clear. Level up. Paradise.
Priority objective available, Agent.